of a triangle intersects to remaining two sides. So this is the line which is parallel to this line and intersecting to other two lines in two distinct points. These are two distinct points where it is intersecting. Then the line divides the sides in the same proportion. That is what we are going to prove. So given things are, in triangle ABC, line L which is drawn to parallel line BC, so and line L intersect to AB and BC in point P and Q respectively. Okay. Now we have to prove AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. Now here we need a construction. So we will join these two segments. Okay, so draw segment PC and segment QB which we have drawn. Now prove in triangle APQ, this upper triangle, and triangle PQB, that is triangle PQB, that is this triangle PQB, have equal height. So if we observe from this side, so this triangle APQ and triangle PQB are having equal height on this base. Now in triangle APQ and PQB, as the height is same, so ratio of areas of these two triangles is equal to the ratio of their bases. So this ratio will get here that AP upon PB. So we will call this as first, as reason is areas proportionate to bases. And again the same thing applies for triangle APQ and PQC. Again these both triangles are having same height from this point. So again height will get cancelled and this ratio will be equal to ratio of the bases. So that's why we have got here AQ upon QC. So we'll call this as 2. Again the reason will be areas proportionate to bases. So in segment PQ is a common base of triangle PQB, this PQB, and triangle PQC, this PQC. Segment PQ is parallel to BC. The segment PQ is parallel to BC. Hence, PQB and PQC have equal height. PQB and PQC. These both triangles are having equal height because these lines are parallel to each other. Now again, area of triangle AQB is equal to area of triangle PQC. We will call this as 3, and that's why these two triangles are in ratio, and these two triangles are in ratio. So therefore we can say triangle APQ upon triangle PQB is equal to triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQC, that is this triangle. So from 1 and 2 and 3 we have got this ratio, and that's why this height is common in all these triangles, for this and for this also. So that's why this ratio will be equal to ratio of their bases. So from 1 and 2 we can say that we will just substitute this value AP upon PB instead of this ratio, and the same way for this ratio we will write AQ upon QC. So that's what we have proved.